on there.
Do it pretty. Glorious shot. Some haze and stuff. The thickness.
So you don't catch all that thickness in there.
Person that takes the last piece of gum, man.
No, you don't. You took.
We weren't talking about
You
it.
took.
Yeah, I
7
know.
ounces situation though.
Guilty by association.
That thing is brand new and it's fucking
And
metallicized
Plus.
gray.
So this is FEYNLAB Heal Light being installed on the hood of this Explorer ST. It's a multi-component coating. So not multi-layering the same thing over and over again. That's, in our opinion, crap. What we've got on there is the first or base layer, the first step, and then we'll use another component to level it and wipe it clear. And so what that allows us to do is we get maximum bonding to the paint with the solids content, and then the solvents are removed safely, and rather than wiping some of the solid contents off, they're lifted easily and broken down. So ultimately we have a thicker layer left behind, a self-healing product. This ceramic coating will self-heal minor swirls from microfiber towels and wash mitts when it's in the heat, and it'll do that continuously for a minimum of 5 years. We have other versions of ceramics too. If you're interested, you can give us a shout or check out our website. You're gonna have to slow that down like 16
So what happens when you tell them the tire label I was on a thing anymore?
Get in there real deep like.
Can't.
What? You don't want to Joe Dirt this movie?
Oh, I was
Video.
there reason enough.
Have you? It's going to start pulling the solvents from the first layer. It's also adding another bit of ceramics that will merge with the first layer, building it up even thicker. Why are you so close to my face?
Yeah, I wasn't focusing. I had to get in.
All right,
Face.
checking. Anyways, this will sit for specified amount of time, weather dependent, and then we'll remove it, and that'll be it. It's not a requirement, but we do it on every vehicle anyways. We also add a top coat to this, so just even more content, solids content being added to this car.
Not for the shop, but just for his
Stuff.
now I gotta come back over.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I did. I got that.
We need to keep that.
Epic
Did you see
fail.
this? We gotta keep it. So what's that? That's a Cameron 1 and a
Cameron
Jonah
1.
0.
Roll the footage back.
For our video, that's proof that I made it, because I never make it. Our YouTube.
A towel one, shots.
Yeah, no, we gotta keep that in there. So anyways, we're now finished with the ceramic install on this Explorer. So we'll go over the details again and basically do a quick detail before the customer picks it up. Make sure we haven't missed any high spots, which is very fixable even a week from now if we happen to find it later. But it generally doesn't happen. So that is it. This thing's protected by the ceramic coating from UV protection, so line 99% UV rejection. Paint will not fade over time because of the sun. Chemical resistance, it'll resist permanent water spot etching, bird poop etching, bug gut etching. It'll buy you a lot of time to get that stuff cleaned up before it's permanently damaged the paint. Got a couple days of cure time. We'll actually stick this under an infrared lamp so it cures right now versus about a week if we just send it out the door, ready to see the environment as soon as it leaves the shop here. I guess one last thing we will do is add our own top coat to this, which is just some more of what you already saw. Please, if you enjoy what we're doing here and you like the videos, subscribe. We'll drop links below for our own car care products, our DIY ceramic if you want to do that stuff yourself at home. If you have questions, give us a call, email, drop a comment below, let us know what you like or don't like, and have a good day.